In this Vechain cost forecast 2023, 2024 to 2030, we will really break down the value examples of by utilizing exact dealer amicable specialized examination markers and foresee the future development of the cryptographic money, which explicitly is genuinely critical. What fundamentally is Vechain? Vechain basically is the really local genuinely token working on the Vechain, a public layer 1 blockchain in every practical sense, large way. At first, for the most part was sent off previously as VEN, an ERC20 token, on the Ethereum blockchain in a kind of significant manner. Later in 2018, VEN explicitly was traded onto the Vechain blockchain, in spite of prevalent thinking. Vechain depends on a two-token framework that has the tokens VET and VTHO, which truly is very critical. VET by and large is utilized as an installment kind of token in the DeFi space, though the last option fills in as the energy in every practical sense, token for working with the exchanges in a sort of significant manner. The blockchain depends on the evidence of authority (POA) agreement which requests validators to stake at kind of the most 25 million VET at the authority ACE hubs, alongside giving their by and large genuine personalities in every practical sense, huge way. Vechain 24H Technicals Vechain positions 38th on CoinMarketCap and conditions of its market capitalization in an unobtrusive manner. The outline of the Vechain cost expectation for 2023 truly is in every practical sense made sense of beneath with a day-to-day time span in a quite large manner. In the above diagram, Vechain spread out a plunging divert design in a truly significant manner. Diving channel designs generally are somewhat momentary negative in that a stock maneuvers certainly lower inside a slipping channel, yet they frequently structure inside certainly longer-term upturns as continuation designs, which in every practical sense is very huge. The dropping channel design sort of is in many cases basically followed by a lot greater costs, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. However, solely after a potential gain entrance of the by and large upper pattern line, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. A slipping channel generally is drawn by interfacing the certainly worse high points and worse low points of a security's cost, with in every practical sense, equal trend lines to show an essentially descending pattern, which truly is very huge. Inside a sliding channel, a broker could make a selling bet when the security cost really arrives at its opposition trendline, which generally is genuinely huge. A climbing channel for the most part is the genuinely inverse of a sliding channel, or so they basically thought. Both climbing and slipping channels basically are essential channels basically followed by specialized examiners, which for the most part is genuinely critical. At the hour of examination, the cost of Vechain especially was recorded at $0.01642 in a sort of huge manner. In the event that the example pattern proceeds, the cost of VET could arrive at the obstruction levels of $0.01894, $0.02708, and $0.003256 in an essentially enormous way. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of VET might tumble to the help of $0.01447 in a genuinely significant manner. Vechain obstruction and backing levels. The diagram given underneath clarifies the very conceivable opposition and backing levels of Vechain in 2023, which generally is genuinely huge. From the above graph, we can in a real sense dissect and distinguish the accompanying as obstruction and backing levels of Vechain for 2023, which generally is genuinely critical. The specialized examination pointers sort of relative volume, RVOL, moving in every practical sense, normal, MAMA, and genuinely relative strength file, RSI, of Bitcoin, especially are displayed in the diagram beneath in an unobtrusive way. In the underneath graph, we truly dissect the strength and unpredictability of Vechain utilizing the accompanying specialized examination pointers, extremely normal directional record, ADX, and certainly relative unpredictability list, RVI, in opposition to prevalent thinking. From the above diagram, we can truly decipher that the value activity of truly is like that of BTC and ETH in a genuinely huge manner. That is, the point at which the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of additionally increments or diminishes separately, which generally is genuinely huge. Vechain value expectation 2024, 2025, 2030, with the assistance of the by and large previously mentioned specialized investigation markers and pattern designs, fundamentally let us generally anticipate the cost of Vechain between 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029, and 2030, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. On the off chance that Vechain secures itself as a genuinely wise interest in 2023, this year would sort of be good for the digital money, which truly is genuinely critical. Taking everything into account, the bullish Vechain cost expectation for 2023 basically is $0.02160, which especially is genuinely critical. Nearly, in the event that negative opinion generally is set off, the negative Vechain cost expectation for 2023 in every practical sense is $0.01198 in an unobtrusive way. In the event that the market energy and financial backers' opinion decidedly raises, Vechain could truly hit $0.1 in a sort of significant manner. Besides, with future overhauls and progressions in the Vechain environment, could for the most part outperform its kind of current all-time extremely high ATH of $0.0008845 in a significant way. What's more, market's new ATH, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Fact 1 in a huge manner. What fundamentally is Vechain which really is very huge? Vechain in every practical sense, is the truly local token working on the Vechain, an exceptionally open layer 1 blockchain, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. It relocated from the Ethereum blockchain to its free blockchain in 2018 in a sort of huge manner. Vechain gives blockchain-based global positioning frameworks to store network undertakings in a by and large huge manner. 2. By and large further appearance how and imprint its new ATH, which especially is genuinely huge. Where might you at any point buy Vechain or so they basically thought. Vechain certainly has been recorded on kind of numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, Deepcoin, Bybit, Bitrue, and Bank, so later in 2018, then really was traded onto the Vechain blockchain. 3. Or so they in a real sense thought. Will Vechain for the most part come to another ATH soon in an extremely significant manner? With the continuous turns of events and overhauls inside the Vechain stage, for the most part has a fundamentally high chance of arriving at its ATH soon, showing how in the underneath outline. We dissect the strength and unpredictability of Vechain utilizing the accompanying specialized examination pointers by and large normal directional file, ADX, and extremely relative unpredictability record, RVI, which generally is very huge. 4. In a significant manner. What especially is the ongoing all-time especially high ATH of Vechain or so they fundamentally thought. On April 17, 2021, Vechain arrived at its new all-time exceptionally high ATH of $0.2782, which explicitly is genuinely critical. 5. Which explicitly is very huge. What basically is the sort of the most minimal cost of Vechain in a by and large significant way. As per market cap, explicitly